Hello, fitness friends and health lovers. I'm Smith, and I'm excited to start day 3 of our 100-day Zero to Fit challenge with you. If you've made it this far, congratulations on your dedication. Today, we have a new, more challenging workout using just your body weight, no equipment needed. This session will help you get stronger, leaner, and more prepared for the journey ahead. So let's warm up and get started. Warm up, 5 minutes. Perform light, dynamic movements like jumping jacks, high knees at a steady pace, gentle arm and hip rotations, slow body weight squats, and quick marching in place. These exercises increase blood flow, warm up your muscles, and prepare your heart and lungs for the main workout. Day 3 workout plan. 1. Shoulder tap plank, 3 sets, 45 seconds each. Get into a full plank on your hands and toes. Tap each shoulder alternately with the opposite hand while keeping your body as still as possible to avoid twisting. Target muscles, core muscles, shoulders, and spinal stabilizers. 2. Bicycle crunches, 3 sets, 20 reps, 10 each side. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Bring your right knee toward your left elbow and switch sides in a controlled, deliberate motion. Target muscles, upper and lower abs and obliques. 3. Single leg glute bridge, 3 sets, 12 reps per leg. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Extend one leg and lift your hips off the ground using the other leg. Lower slowly. Target muscles, glutes, hamstrings, and core. 4. Mountain climbers, 3 sets, 45 seconds each. In a full plank position, drive your knees toward your chest alternately at a steady pace. Target muscles, core, quads, glutes, shoulders, and cardiovascular system. 5. Seated Russian twists, 3 sets, 20 reps, 10 each side. Sit with your feet slightly lifted and lean back slightly. Twist your torso side to side without any added weight, engaging your obliques. Target muscles, obliques, and core. Cool down, 5 minutes. Perform slow, deep stretches focusing on your obliques, back, shoulders, and legs, combined with deep breathing to help your body relax, reduce your heart rate, and begin recovery. Congratulations, strong and committed athlete. You took a big step today toward better health and fitness. Be proud of showing up and pushing yourself to improve every day. If you found this workout helpful, don't forget to like, comment on how you felt, and subscribe so you won't miss the upcoming days. I'm looking forward to seeing you on day 4 with new exercises and motivation. Until then, stay strong, stay motivated, and keep moving toward the best version of yourself.